So if you have a 17 to 19 halogen model truck going to a 2020 LED truck, you're going to receive this harness module box. This box is going to plug into the OBD2 under the steering column. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put key on, don't start it, you're gonna just key on accessory. Once key on accessory is on, you're going to then plug this into the OBD2 box connector. You're gonna see a green light blinking on the plug end. Once the green light blinks 5 times, it's done installing and you can unplug it. It usually takes about 10 seconds. You can unplug it and then key off. If you want to test to make sure that it was installed, you can put key back on and you can plug it back in and the green light will blink 6 times, letting you know that it was installed. Once it's installed, you can take this box and you can put it in your glove box. This is yours to keep. This is VIN locked. You cannot put it on another vehicle. It is married to your truck. Once that's installed, then you can come back to the front of the vehicle, and that was just for the 17 and 19 halogen model vehicle. The LED model truck, you will not have to do that step. Once you come back to the front of the vehicle, this is gonna be for here on out. This is gonna be for 17 and 19 LED and 17 and 19 halogen for installation. You're gonna locate the fuse tap Y-splitter harness, and you're gonna start with that first. The fuse tap is going to go on the passenger side fuse box to fuse 35. You're gonna put that in the fuse box on fuse 35. One end is gonna go to the passenger side headlight, and the other end is gonna go to the driver's side headlight. We're just doing this as a quick install, just to show how it's done. This is not permanent on this truck. So once that's in the fuse box and you have your end plugged in over here, if you have a 17 to 19 LED halogen model truck, you're gonna plug in the plugs how they match up. Brown to brown, black H13 to black H13, and you're gonna have 3 wires coming off, 3 pigtails coming off each end. You're gonna find the wire that says accessory